Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Basically, I'm on my way to the beach right now. So I went through my makeup collection. I thought it'd be a fun idea to test out some waterproof makeup and see how it lasts throughout the day. Like, it's gonna be pretty hot out today, so I'm gonna be like sweating, swimming in the ocean, not the ocean, the lake. So I grabbed some waterproof products. So let's just start with the brows. This is the Kat Von D Super Brow in dark brown, the long wear pomade. It doesn't say that it's waterproof on here, but on Sephora, I believe it said it was waterproof. So that's what I'm going to go with. This is a very long-lasting brow pomade, so let's just pop that on and not make it look too crazy because I am going to the beach. Okay, so brows are pretty much done. So next I'm going to go in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. This is in Park Ave Princess. This is just like a sample size. I think I got this in Ipsy or something. Let's just warm up the skin. So that bronzer has like a very gold sheen to it. So I'm looking a little bit shiny and my forehead's looking a little strange, but we're gonna deal with it. Next I'm going in with the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush from Tarte as well. This is in the shade Feisty. This does not say that it's waterproof, but the reviews said that it's waterproof, so we're just gonna trust that. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. Okay, so next I'm just gonna throw some of this bronzer into my crease, just so I have like a little bit of eyeshadow. Even though this does have a sheen to it, we're just gonna work with it. So this is not claimed to be waterproof, but I wanted to put on some of the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost that I reviewed. Alright, so last but not least, I'm going in with the Urban Decay All-Nighter Pollution Protection Setting Spray. This does not claim to be waterproof. It is like a, I don't know, but the reviews said it was waterproof, so. Alright, so I'm going to go head to the beach and I will keep you guys updated. Hey guys, so I just wanted to update you. I am at the beach now. We're just in the water for like an hour playing Frisbee. So I am a little burnt, but I mean, my highlighter is still there. Blush and bronzer are still there. Doesn't look like my mascara is running at all. So pretty good. I'll update you guys when I get home. Hey guys, so I just got home from the beach and I got sunburned. Even though I was wearing sunscreen, I have a tiny bit of bronzer still on. The blush mostly came off, but I did reapply sunscreen over top of everything, so that's when a lot of it got disturbed. I have some bronzer still on as eyeshadow. My brows are looking okay, and the mascara held up. The highlighter is completely gone, but that was not waterproof. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button before you leave. Again, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.